Hey guys, welcome again to The Wealthy Path. In this video, we break down the truth behind credit cards versus debit cards and reveal what wealthy people actually use. Whether you're building credit, managing spending, or trying to stay out of debt, this guide will help you make the right choice. Most people use the wrong card for the wrong reasons. Learn how to use your cards the smart way, just like the wealthy do. This one simple thing can have an enormous impact on your finances, and it's something that most people get wrong. So much so that even financial experts disagree about what's best. Some say you should never use one of these, while others swear by them. But today we're going to dive into the world of rich people's habits and reveal the truth about what the wealthy choose. We'll also discuss how you can use this knowledge to level up your own financial game. Let's dig in. We'll start with how credit and debit cards work, then move on to why the wealthy choose credit. First, let's understand the fundamentals. A credit card allows you to borrow money from the issuer up to a certain limit called your credit limit. When you use a credit card, you're essentially taking out a small loan that you agreed to pay back with interest. On the other hand, a debit card pulls money directly from your bank account. When you use a debit card, you're using your own money instead of borrowing someone else's. Now that we know how they work, let's look at some of the reasons why the rich prefer credit cards. One of the primary reasons the rich love credit cards is because of the rewards they offer. Unlike debit cards, many credit cards offer points, cash back, or other perks for purchases. These can add up to significant savings, especially on things like travel or recurring expenses. For example, imagine you spend $500 per month on dining. If you had a credit card that offered 3% cash back on dining expenses, you would earn $1,800 in cash back every year just from dining alone. That's a nice chunk of change. Or take travel as another example. Many credit cards offer points or miles that can be redeemed for free flights or hotel stays. If you travel often, this can be a great way to upgrade your travel experience without paying extra. And it's not just about accumulating points. Credit cards also offer a range of other perks, from extended warranty protection on certain purchases to exclusive discounts and offers. These benefits can add significant value, making credit cards an attractive option for the rich who appreciate the extra perks. Here's a quick tip. Look for cards that offer points or miles that never expire. It's frustrating when those points do expire and you feel like you wasted them. Another reason the wealthy favor credit cards is because of the fraud protection they offer. If your credit card is lost or stolen, you're typically only liable for a limited amount of unauthorized charges. This can provide peace of mind, especially when traveling or making online purchases. For example, if your debit card was used fraudulently, the money would be deducted from your bank account immediately. However, with a credit card, the credit card company would investigate the charge, and you'd likely be responsible for only a small amount, if any. This protection can be invaluable, helping you avoid financial loss due to identity theft or other types of fraud. It's important to note that you must report unauthorized charges promptly to your credit card issuer to take advantage of this protection. Most issuers have 24/7 customer service lines for reporting issues. Also, review your credit card statements regularly to ensure that all charges are legitimate. By staying vigilant, you can minimize the risk of fraud and enjoy the added security that credit cards provide. The next reason the rich prefer credit cards is because of their ability to build credit. When you use a credit card responsibly, you build a positive credit history, which can lead to better loan rates and terms in the future. This can be a game changer when it comes to buying a house, financing a car, or starting a business. For example, let's say you're buying a home. Your credit score will significantly impact the interest rate you receive on your mortgage. A higher credit score can save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. By using a credit card and building a good credit history, you can position yourself for better financial opportunities down the road. To maximize the benefits of credit card usage, it's crucial to pay your balance in full and on time each month. This helps you avoid interest charges and maintain a low credit utilization ratio, both of which are essential for building good credit. You should also set up auto-pay to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. It's also wise to monitor your credit report regularly for accuracy and to dispute any errors promptly. By following these tips, you can leverage credit cards effectively to build your credit and secure better financial terms in the future. So far, we've covered rewards, fraud protection, and credit building. 3 compelling reasons why the wealthy prefer credit cards. There is, however, another crucial benefit that we must discuss. The fourth reason is flexibility. Credit cards offer a level of flexibility that debit cards simply cannot match. With a credit card, you essentially have access to a line of credit that you can tap into whenever needed. This can be a lifesaver in situations where you encounter unexpected expenses or missed income. For example, imagine your air conditioning breaks down in the middle of a heat wave, or you need to make an urgent car repair. In such situations, a credit card can provide the necessary funds to cover the unexpected cost without dipping into your savings or having to take out a loan. Credit cards can also offer a safety net if you experience a temporary loss of income, such as being between jobs or having your hours reduced. They provide a way to maintain your lifestyle and meet your financial obligations until you regain your footing. Moreover, credit cards allow you to take advantage of promotional offers and discounts that require a certain amount of spending. For example, you might find a fantastic deal on a new appliance or piece of furniture that requires a minimum credit card purchase. In such cases, using a credit card can help you secure the best price, even if you don't have the funds to make the purchase outright. This flexibility and peace of mind are valuable benefits that the wealthy often appreciate. It's important to use this flexibility wisely and responsibly. Avoid using credit cards to fund unnecessary purchases or long-term financial obligations. Instead, reserve them for unexpected expenses or opportunities that can enhance your financial well-being. Paying your credit card balance in full and on time each month is crucial to avoid interest charges and maintain a good credit score. By following these guidelines, you can harness the power of credit cards while mitigating the risks. All right, now that we've explored the rich people's preference for credit cards and the reasons behind it, it's time to consider a different perspective. Some individuals may prefer to stay away from credit cards altogether and instead rely on debit cards. Can you guess why? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Before we reveal the answer, let's explore some of the benefits of debit cards and why some people may choose to use them over credit. One of the main advantages of debit cards is that they can help you avoid debt. Since debit cards use money from your bank account, you won't go into debt as long as you have sufficient funds. This can be appealing to those who want to maintain financial control and avoid the potential pitfalls of credit card debt. Additionally, debit cards can help you track your spending more easily. Each purchase is deducted directly from your account, making it simpler to monitor your finances and ensure that you stay within your budget. This level of transparency can be beneficial for individuals who want to maintain financial discipline and avoid overspending. Furthermore, debit cards typically do not charge interest or late fees. Unlike credit cards, which can have high interest rates and penalties for late payments, debit cards generally do not carry these additional costs. This can help you save money and avoid unnecessary financial burdens, making debit cards an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Overall, debit cards are a useful financial tool and can be a good choice for many people. However, it's important to recognize their limitations as well. Debit cards do not offer the same rewards or benefits as credit cards. They typically do not earn points, cash back, or other perks, meaning you won't receive any incentives for your spending. This can be a drawback for those who want to maximize their purchasing power or earn rewards for their everyday expenses. Additionally, debit cards do not help you build credit history. Unlike credit cards, which can positively impact your credit score when used responsibly, debit cards do not provide the same credit-building benefits. This may be a disadvantage for individuals who want to establish or improve their credit history, especially if they plan to apply for loans or credit cards in the future. Now that we've considered the case for debit cards, let's address the biggest mistake people make. The single biggest mistake people make with their money is using debit for everything. This approach leaves them missing out on benefits and prevents them from building credit. By sticking solely to debit, you're not taking advantage of the rewards and protections that credit cards offer. You're also not building your credit score, which can negatively impact your financial flexibility in the long run. For example, imagine needing a loan for an emergency or a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. A strong credit score can help you secure better terms and lower interest rates, saving you thousands of dollars. But if you've only used debit cards and haven't built your credit, you may not qualify for the best rates or may have to pay a higher interest, costing you more money over time. Additionally, missing out on credit card rewards can leave you missing out on substantial savings. Credit cards can offer significant discounts, cash back, and other perks that can add up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars in savings. By avoiding credit cards altogether, you're potentially leaving money on the table and forgoing valuable benefits. Credit card companies want you to use their cards. That's how they make money. So don't be afraid to use them. Just make sure you pay your bill in full each month so you don't pay any interest. That way you're getting all the perks and none of the downsides. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other videos about rich people's habits. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed about our latest content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.